Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I will show you really super easy stitch. There are only knit and purl stitches here, really cute combination, and I already thinking to use this stitch for their hat, and of course it can be used for cardigans. For this swatch I'm using 4mm knitting needles, and the number that you need to cast on has to be divisible by 7 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 selvage stitches. So I cast it on 28 plus 2 and plus 2, in total 32 stitches for this swatch. So if you want to try it, let's do it together. So the first row, slip the first stitch, purl 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's what you're going to repeat. Purl 2, knit 5, purl 2, knit 5. And the last time, purl 2, knit 5. At the end, you remember we had 2 extra stitches, so purl 2 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. The second row and all even rows will be knitted the same. Slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches. Purl, purl, purl. Turn. Row number 3 will be the same as row number 1. Slip the first stitch, purl 2, knit 5. Purl 2, knit 5, purl 2, knit 5, purl 2, knit 5, purl 2, and then row number 4 will be the same as row number 2. I've done 4 rows, and now row number 5. Slip the first stitch, and now we change. Knit 2, purl 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat. Knit 2, purl 5, knit 2, purl 5, knit 2, purl 5 the last time, and knit 2 extra stitches and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 6, as all even rows, we are going to purl all stitches. Slip the first stitch and purl all stitches till the end. turn. Row number 7 will be the same as row number 5. You see, we made one garter stitch row here, and we need to make in total 4. So now row number 7 will be the same as row number 5. Knit 2, purl 5. Knit 2, purl 5, knit 2, purl 5, knit 2, purl 5. Row number 8 we will purl all stitches. Then we will form the second garter stitch row. Then we are going to repeat again row number 6 and row number 5, and we will form the third garter stitch row, and we will repeat again to form the fourth garter stitch row. So in total 4. Now we did only one, and we started forming the second one. Rows number 7, 9 and 11 will be the same as row number 5. And rows number 8, 10 and 12 will be the same as row number 6. So I've done my 12 rows, and you see last 4 garter stitch rows, and in total 12 rows for this stitch. And now you're going to start repeating from the first row where we did purl 2, knit 5, and so on. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. If you need a written instruction, you can find it on my blog. Please check the link down below. If you have any questions or suggestion where can we use this stitch, please write me a comment. Bye!